idea video for the mothers of 1st to 3rd class children.
Namaste, all the mothers are heartily welcome to the first meeting of this year. Last year you helped your children with their studies by watching idea videos. This year also we will try to understand new things with the help of idea videos. Let us start the meeting.
Now let us move on the next activity, which is called Let's Try.
Let the mothers stand in a circle. Make a circle in the center with a chalk. Name of the game is River Bank. Remember that the river is inside and the shore is outside of the sphere. The leader mother would stand in a corner and keep saying those words on the bank of the river, sometimes slowly and sometimes quickly. Rest of the mothers have to jump in or out of the circle after hearing the word. The mother who stays till the end will be the winner. Let's pause the video here until this activity happens.
We hope all the mothers had fun doing this activity. Now let's move on the next activity called Let's Learn Something New.
Often while cutting an apple, we keep a knife in the middle and cut into pieces. After that, the middle seed part is taken out separately, which takes a lot of time. Let us understand from this video the right way to cut apples.
How can you benefit from this video? All the mothers can share one by one. Now let's move on the next activity, which is called Do It at Home with the children.
Fill the picture with your favorite color.
Did the children enjoy doing this worksheet? Do share your experience with us. We will end our activities for today now. See you again next week with more such updates and fun activities. Till then, take care of yourself and your children. Thank you.